Show me. Very good. You don't even need a lesson in this, do you? You're pretty good. All right, so we're going to put this between us. Now put it up again. Now see this bottom of the bottle? Make it point all the way to the ceiling. Oh, you're good. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to open this. Can you squeeze a little bit of water in the trash for me? Squeeze. Woo! Good job. Feel the water. Feel good? Yeah, it doesn't hurt, does it? Can we wash a little bit of your nose with that water? Okay, you do it, because you're a big girl. Turn around this way towards Sherry, and hold that, and now squeeze that in. Squeeze it in your nose. Yay! Squeeze the bottom.
Job.
Yay!
Look at that! Wonderful!
Good job. Okay, perfect. You are perfect. Did you see how wonderful she did that? Okay. Now you blow.
Good job!
You don't need us. You want to do the other side? Okay. Go ahead. Put your head up. Look at Sherry.
Hi, how are you?
Go ahead and squeeze the bottle. Yay!
Oh, look at that! Yay! Oh, wow, look at that!
After you wipe your nose and blow your nose, can you tell me how your nose feels? It feels fine? Did it hurt? Oh, good. Thank you very much.